Hello! Today I am going to be unboxing this professional instant keratin smoother system. I got this product from their website, www.hairmayraki.com. I am so excited to try and see what it does to my curly/wavy hair. Everything you need to do your keratin treatment from home, complete with a bottle of the treatment and the shampoo. This is what my hair looked like before the treatment and before washing. You want to start by washing your hair with a purifying shampoo 2 to 3 times. Once your hair is 100% dry, you want to get the right amount of keratin treatment and apply it to each section of your hair. You want the hair to be completely saturated. Once you're finished, you want to let it sit for about an hour. You do not want to rinse it out. If you want curly waves, you can diffuse it or let it air dry. If you want straight, sleek hair, you can set the flat iron to 450 Fahrenheit and straighten each strand. Once it is dry, do not put it back in a ponytail or with clips. It needs some time to set. It is recommended to only rinse your hair after 48 hours. This is my hair the day after the treatment.